Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your WhatsApp catalog. First, ensure you have the WhatsApp Business app installed on your device. This powerful tool allows you to display your products and services directly to your customers within the chat. To start, open the app, go to Business Tools, and then tap on Catalog. This is your gateway to creating an engaging storefront for your business. Now, let's add your first product or service. Tap the green plus icon or add new item. You will need to provide essential details like the item name, a clear price, and a concise description. Remember, you can upload up to 10 high-resolution images for each item, showcasing it from various angles. Good visuals are crucial for attracting customer interest and driving sales. Once you have added several items, organizing your catalog becomes important. You can create collections to group similar products, making it much easier for customers to browse. To edit an item, simply tap on it. You can also delete items that are out of stock or discontinued. Remember, any new additions or significant edits will usually go through a brief review by WhatsApp. Finally, let's talk about sharing your impressive new catalog. You can easily share your entire catalog or individual items directly with customers in a chat. Additionally, the catalog link can be prominently displayed on your WhatsApp business profile, making it accessible to anyone viewing your business information. This seamless sharing capability allows you to promote your offerings effortlessly and reach a broader customer base.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.